Hey ReinMan, you ready to get started on show number 4 or what? Yeah, I don't know, man. It's just, you know, it's so much work. You know, the makeup and the
yeah, man. Hey,
diet.
you're preaching to the choir here, man.
I can feel your pain. Yeah, I bet you do. I bet you do.
Yeah, but I don't think we should disappoint our huge 7-member fan base out there.
Yeah, they'll just be itching for that next show. Yeah.
Scratchy.
Look, dude, look, tell you what. I got an idea. You get started on this show right now. I'll give you my special pet parrot. What do you think about that? Looks a lot like the stuffed parrot I got.
Nice try, Reinier.
Yes, it's a nice parrot, isn't it?
Indeed, it is a nice parrot. But will it be a nice enough parrot to inspire ReinMan to start working on show number 4? Only time and a faltering budget can say for sure. But that is one sexy parrot.
Sexy parrot.
So I suspect you'll be seeing show number 4 as soon as you see it.